Hello everyone, I am Sudarshan. I have visited Intel Prosthetics almost 2 years ago. So I have been using prosthetic for my left foot for almost 15 years now. But when I visited Intel Prosthetics and met Joel sir, he has given me a different product to use. The product that was given has changed the way I actually live right now. The insole that I use right now is giving me a lot of flexibility to do what I want. I really appreciate all the work that Joel sir and the team has been doing here from Intel Prosthetics. I really wish everyone, whosoever has an issue with the prosthetics, to visit Intel Prosthetics at Banjara Hills and then get all of those solutions from them. Thank you very much.